Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to fix your missing photo mode on TikTok. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on Play Store. And once you're now on Play Store, let's search for TikTok. So what we're going to do right here is to make sure that our TikTok is on the latest version. So as you can see, my TikTok is on the latest version right here. So if your TikTok is not on the latest version, you will see an update button right here. So all you have to do is to click it and wait for it to finish. And once you have now updated your TikTok, all you have to do is to click open. And once you click open right there, you can now try to see if your photo mode is now working. But if it still isn't working, all you have to do is to go here on the top right corner and then click icon right here and then click privacy. After that, scroll until you see this report problem. And once you're now in here, just click account and profile and then choose manage account. And then choose which one you prefer right here, but I will just use this for example. And then after that, just scroll down until you see this is your problem solved. So just click no and then click need more help. And then after that, you will be directed here to TikTok help desk. So now you will be able to talk to live agents on TikTok. So just say that you don't have the photo mode on TikTok and then they will help you how to get it. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.